Or
What did you hear?
I'll just I was gonna send you a message on Discord here. There we go. We're live. Good morning, Mr. K.
Good morning.
Taking a quick look at financial juice. Today's the 24th. Any news on the horizon? Looks not really. We have some services PMI. Kind of like a medium folder, I guess. Not high impact. So. Sort of a no news Tuesday here.
Hopefully it'll So what are you looking at today? NQ, ES, YM?
Probably NQ. Yeah, I sent you a little message on Discord there. Nothing too pressing or anything, but
Discord?
Yeah.
Dig it. All right.
Yeah.
Good morning, Darren.
Oh, there's Darren's in the house.
And Miss K911.
Yeah. K911.
That's an emergency vet, right?
Yeah. So I was taking a look here at the midnight open price, and we're like almost at midnight open right now. Looks like. Yeah. But I don't think that the market or that mechanical model can work today because we've already just engaged midnight open price like not long ago. So I feel like we have to be a little bearish at the moment, obviously. Been in a pretty strong downtrend here for...
We may fill the gap to yesterday's close. But who knows?
Did we gap down? I didn't notice that. So
yesterday's close for NQ was... Well, 4 o'clock, it was 24,453. Yeah, we got London low and Asia low directly below us. There's orders down at 42,200.
Are you on YM?
No, NQ.
Oh, 24,200. Sorry. Gotcha. Tap to tap to tap tap.
Sounds like you were writing a novel in 1942.
You know it.
I'm calling you Hemingway.
Well, what do we have? About 30 seconds here?
Yep.
20 seconds?
It just opened.
Oh, just opened. Nice. All right. VWAPs. Get your VWAPs.
All right. What did you say? Get your VWAPs.
Yeah.
Get your VWAPs. Extra. Read all about it.
Why is Frank barking right now? What the heck, man? What's going on, Frank?
What's happening with the puppy?
I don't know. He's barking for no reason. We have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap at 24,268. So if we get an inversion on that, we could trade it to value area low, which is up to 315 area. Oh, well, price is just going to go to 315 well before it decides to invert that fair value gap. Hey, Kaylin, good morning. And the hawk flies.
Morning, people.
Nick looks pretty military today.
Call me Sergeant Baker.
Damn, there's that trade. Shoot, should have just took it regardless of the candle closure. But I guess I'm trying to be an adult here.
Nick ready to get into Operation Epic Fury? Yeah. Iran is not a place I want to go. And I don't really want to kill anyone, ever. So, you know. So, no, not ready for that.
I spent a couple hours weed whacking yesterday, and I don't know. I think like a projectile of wood shot and hit my hand. So my left.
Oh, you said weed whack, and I thought you were smoking dope and jerking off.
Yeah. Wow.
Then you said, you know, chunk of wood.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. You're kind of a weird guy. Kind of a weird guy, so I'm just going to
I'm having trouble
love that
closing
one.
my left hand now, so don't worry, I'm right-handed though. So
I wasn't worried. You do whatever makes you happy.
oh, thank you. I like that. Oh, what the heck? Austin's
the heck,
at
what?
Evan's house.
What?
Yeah,
What is
like I can
pregnant
see
old lady
Austin.
kick him out?
Yeah, yeah. Because you can see like Austin and Evan in one shot, and then in the other shot is actually just Austin. So
All right.
are you taking a
Well, it's
trade
only
here?
5 minutes into the open, and I'm already ready to quit.
Really? Yeah. Angie, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. You also.
What, are you leaving already?
Being from Hong Kong, I think that means it's like 16 hours ahead.
Oh, yeah. Go to bed. You doing awake?
So it's like 10:30 p.m., 11 p.m. maybe. 15, 16 hours difference. Nice, $40. $40 profit. There you go. Too bad you didn't get some more expansion out of that, though. Oh, nasty wick got you, yeah. Yeah, you kind of have to trade tight stops if you're. This can be pretty damaging. This price in the mornings. Oh, geez. How's the weather? It's pretty rainy today and a little bit cold, but not too bad for Canada, anyways.
Rainy and cold for Canada? I thought that was just Canada. I like Canada. I mean, it'd be great if it wasn't for all the Canadians.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to ask Nick what the weather's like. LOL.
Oh, I'll tell you. It's nice.
XT. So it looks like we have about 12 viewers, 6 in YouTube and 6 in X this morning. It's so funny seeing Austin and Evan in the same camera.
That is kind of weird. I'm going to have to take a look at this in a minute.
And then I guess Austin's mic is turned off because it's creating an echo. So his voice is just going through Evan's mic. Dow's looking like almost better than the other two at the moment for bulls, anyways. There we go. Down to the lows here. We do have go ahead.
I can't get into anything right now.
Yeah.
I gotta wait.
Might sweep those pre-market lows there at 24.197 here. Man, that the short off value area low looks beautiful at the moment. It's too bad. 24.315. Yeah, we're almost there, Kaylin.
Creating a little fair value gap at the London low.
There we go. Swept it. Yes, sir.
It's a nice liquidity sweep. Took out all those orders at 200 and at 190.
Yeah. We do have some down at 150 also. Just sort of looks like they just came on.
They did. I watched my book map turn red as soon as the 190s disappeared.
Oh, yeah. Just trying to be patient here. Wait this first 15 minutes out. There we go. Heading to the 150s. Yeah, there goes 50s. Jeez. Now watch them create a whole wick below 200s. Yeah, if we close it down here, Darren, and we keep looking like we're going to push lower for sure. I mean, shorts are definitely the only play if we stay down below sort of, what is it, 200, 200. And look at that. Created a wick all the way up to 200 there.
Mm-hmm. This
Now
is why I'm waiting for the opening range.
Yeah. The question is now, are we going to, push down below 200 again here? Or are we going to start turning bullish?
I don't know. We're going to watch VWAP. We're going to react to the candles, and we're not going to make predictions. Because every time we make a prediction, it turns out to be wrong. So we just stop doing that.
Yeah. Hey, Tim, good morning.
No point in it. We're only right when we're not wrong. And frankly, it doesn't really work that well.
Logue 42. What's up? Good morning. PA has been weird for the past 2 weeks. Not gonna lie. Yeah, that's from the war. I would guess. We also had FOMC, so some drivers in the market right now, right? So gotta be careful. Patience pays here. Impatience slays. Slay those accounts. Oh my God, Tim, you passed 2 kidney stones? I was reading your message. I was like, I passed 2, and I was like thinking evals.
Yeah, nice. Oh.
Yeah. I had a kidney stone once before too. Oh my God, that's the most painful thing I've ever dealt with.
And it's weird because that pain is not where you think it would be.
Yeah.
The worst part of it is your low back.
Yeah.
Well, at least it was for me.
I had to go to emergency because I was like, didn't know what the hell was going on. And then they ended up giving me a morphine shot. And
that's sexy.
It didn't do anything the first shot. So they had to give me a second one. Like, what the heck? And then I had like the worst headache for like a week straight after.
Yeah, morphine will do that to you.
From the morphine, I think it was, yeah. Ugh. That sucked. But it helped. The second shot helped with the pain.
I'm surprised they didn't do break it up using either ultrasound or the lithotripsy.
The chiropractor said I had pulled a muscle in my low back.
Chiropractors. I think a chiropractor is kind of the same way I think of naturopathic doctors. You know what ND stands for? Not a doctor. Your Chiro cracker, on the other hand, they're just, you can find a good one every once in a while that actually knows what the fuck they're talking about. But I actually, Life Chiropractic in Georgia, I worked with a chiropractor that went there, and he thought you could cure cancer through chiropractic adjustments.
Oh, yeah. Very plausible. You had 2 surgeries to get them removed before. Oh, wow. So it's not your first rodeo.
They're talking shit about me over on Price Action Live again.
Oh, yeah? Illegitimate father or what?
No, not this time. No, they were, Tom was saying that he comes over to our stream every once in a while. And he's like, oh, yeah. He was like, the other day I went over there and I heard Nick just say something about he took like 400 points off of whatever in the overnight. And he goes, he's so nonchalant about it and sitting in like this beautiful background behind him. And then Mike goes, yeah, I like his attitude. We're in this to be adults about it. He goes, I'm still a child.
Nice.
Which is not the case because
I did take
I
a
don't know
short.
if you've ever watched Mike trade. He's good.
Taking one off. I'm in a short there off the rejection off the VWAP. And I covered one already, and now I got one to stop to break even here. See if I can't let this baby run. Up $55 on this second contract. Don't bounce here.
Nice.
Stop it. You know how talking to the chart works, right?
Oh yeah, I do it constantly.
I'm sure everybody in the chat does it too.
It's just different when we're doing it because we're live streaming. So
yeah. Okay, everybody, blow on your screen downwards though, please, not upwards, but down. Okay, I'm gonna lock in a little bit more with this stop here. Not a whole lot. Would like to see that double bottom taken out here. 24,141. Probably going to get a little more aggressive with my stop if we do. Maybe I'll bring it down to like 160. Don't bounce here. Don't do it. Orders down at 150, 140, and then 24,100. Far well down there. Took out the 50s. Sweep those lows here, 140.
you might be able to hold this for another 50 points.
As long as we don't bounce here.
As long as you're not worried about too much of a pullback, you're if it goes through the second deviation band, you look good all the way down to at least 41.25. But it's got to make it through this deviation band and close below 152.30.
Yeah.
You are on NQ, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I got my stop sitting at 187.50.
Yeah, it's a good trade. It's not my trade, but it is a good one.
Yeah, I saw us playing with the VWAP, so I switched over to the 2 minute, and we've created 2 wicks in a row that basically touched the VWAP. And
all right,
and as we started
40.
pushing down, yeah.
You got orders down at 30.
Kind of swept the lows, not really. A little bit. Watching that money go away here on this bounce. Uh-oh.
You just got 814 orders down at 125.
Looks like it's going to stop me out if it pushes any higher than it did here. So, yeah, I'm out there. That's too bad. So 87.70. Let's see if that price can pay again here. Hawkfly says, Tim, stay hydrated. I don't know if you're frozen or you're just. I thought you were smiling there for a second. Yeah, it looks like
smile.
You're frozen. You got kind of like a grin on your face right now.
So I'm looking at these orders down here at 137.50 and around all hovering around the 24,125 area.
Yeah.
How much you want to bet that Trump's about to make a tweet?
Think so? Yeah. He's gonna say the war's over and it's just gonna rocket. So they said the war is over or whatever, and then later on in the day we got some news saying that they had bombed some sort of electrical infrastructure. So what the heck? So we have some orders here up at 200. Oh, we took some there right below 200. Was that 90s? 95? 68 contracts up at 200.
We've got 1,700 orders between 137.50 and 125. What the shit is going on there?
Are you on the NQ or MNQ?
NQ.
Oh, wow, yeah. I don't see those on MNQ.
Yeah, because they're not on MNQ.
Big fat red bars down there. My dad's lost in the interwebs again here over. He's like, I'm in Nick's channel, but nobody can see my comments. I didn't see him comment at all. It's probably like an old stream too. No one is. Oh, I did see it there. Good morning, guys. But yeah, he doesn't see anybody else's comments. Well, we rejected off the VWAP there. I should have been paying closer attention. Not that far from it, actually. But
I got a limit order down at 125.
For a long?
Yeah.
You like those? Looks like some of those orders came off at 130, I guess.
The ones at 130 came off. Not a single one of those orders was an algo, though. That's what's making me
interesting
sit up and take notice.
There's my dad. Good morning. Trading MES on the 15 with the Dragonfly Doji every time I check. You're probably going to short opening range high. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea, but I would definitely be waiting for some sort of reaction, confirmation, you know, up there, Darren. I don't know when Kalen sleeps. I don't think he does. Damn, I missed it, but we inverted a bearish fair value gap there. Had a nice entry on the 958 candle there. Kind of tapped back into the bearish fair value or the inverted fair value gap, and now we've bounced, 182 to 237. You're in a long 24 193. Nice trade.
This is the first 5-minute candle over VWAP, so again, not my trade. Yeah, shit! Look at that.
Not the one to be chasing, but 193 is definitely. I'm sure you probably got to stop break even by now. Stop the break even. Damn. Small winner, bro. Small winner stop.
Take that 193 off the fair value gap. No. What was your indication to go in at 193?
Yeah, good question. That was
because I'm not
Kalen.
Strength off the bounce from the low a day, maybe.
Probably.
I mean, it's a good trade, and it's definitely going in his favor. But
green volume, yeah, acceleration through VWAP.
All right, but it didn't hit VWAP. Oh.
Oh, an inverted fair value gap?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we did have that one inverted fair value gap on the, was it on the 5 or was it only on the 2-minute?
I need to start paying more attention to the fair value gaps. In fact, I'm going to pull up that Nephew Sam. Where to go? Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Oh, now I see it. All right.
You got it on the 5-minute?
Yeah, I'm looking at the 15 right now. We got a 1 hour fair value gap that we just hit and rejected off of. Well, not just, but 255 came down off of that. Yeah, I'd like to just take one trade today. I don't have the mental capital to take more than, I'd say, 3 trades today.
Yeah, and two $1,600 winners. Don't really want to mess that up.
That's true.
Was that in cash account? Oh yeah, because
Yeah.
you're trading oil, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Figure anytime it's like oil or metal or something, it's a cash account.
Yeah, I can't trade prop firms with that stuff. I'd get smoked in about a minute and a half.
Too volatile. Too volatile. And too expensive.
Too much margin requirement as well.
Yeah.
You can't trade like I was only trading, I think, 7 or 8 micros total with my add-ins. And even that's pushing the limit.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what this candle does with the VWAP.
I ended up making 800 in this 150K combine yesterday. So now I'm at 156,229. Slowly edging my way up to the target here.
Sounds like a good day was had.
Yeah. So only one red day. That was last week's Thursday, down 297. And first 2 weeks I had really solid weeks. I was up almost $3,000 in week 1, 2,100 week 2. Week 3 I only made 295, and then now I'm up about 922 this week. So feeling hopeful that we're gonna try to get this guy past. And I figure if I gotta pay, I'm gonna take it easy though. Still, if I gotta pay for the renewal, so be it. I'd rather pay a renewal and keep it going rather than restart. Try to YOLO it and restart the account, right?
Oh, that would be horrible.
Big pop there. Now that's a push off the VWAP if I ever saw one.
Yeah, I went long with how many do I have in here?
Midnight open price engaged there.
Oh wow. I had to double check how many I had in there because I went in with one I thought it was 1 micro, and it is. But it was up $80 like almost instantly. So
Oh, nice.
I just wanted to double check and make sure I wasn't in with like 5 of them. And of course, now cut that profit in half.
NQ love-hate relationship here.
I'm telling you. I have broken up with NQ on multiple occasions. For some reason, we always get back together.
Interesting how we tapped into the midnight open price there and just kind of rejected off of it.
Mm-hmm.
People are watching that level for sure.
Getting a little bit of volatility here.
Mm-hmm. Volume's pretty low on this candle though. This 5 minutes.
Yeah, there's low volume and a lot of movement, so getting ready to click the exit button as quickly as possible. Volume tells you where the price is going. Volatility tells you how fast it's going to get there.
Yeah. That was quite the recovery from the lows. You're short, probably going to get wrecked. Yeah, be careful, Darren. Well, keep the tight relatively stop here, or the tight relatively stop. You know what I
Back
mean?
that up, reverse it. You got it. Keep the back relatively stop.
Evan's in an NQ long here. About halfway. Looks like his target is opening range high. Still in the downtrend, so the trend provided we don't cheat above opening range now. Yeah.
If it breaks through the opening range, I'll pay attention to it, but I'm just looking for continuation. Continuation and reactions to VWAP.
Overnight VWAP on NQ is lining right up with opening range high. Are we going to get a VWAP bounce here?
Looking at the book map, it's probable.
We're so dark everywhere on bookmap right now, or on NQ. How's MNQ?
Well, it's because I've been sunbathing nude.
Oh, yeah.
Dark on NQ. Sorry. And also, I'm sorry that I put that image in your head. Suffer. Got orders. Whoa.
Well, there goes the view.
4,200.
Nice job, Darren. There you go, bro. Good trade. Look at that.
Whoever took that short, was it Darren who took that short?
Yes, sir.
Is he still in it?
He's scrambling right now. Out at low day VWAP. I'm out at low at $70. Nice trade. Beautiful. That was perfect timing there. Right before that beautiful push down. $70 on one micro. Nice. 45 points. Or was that ES? Sorry. Still, both good trades. Tim's short at 226.2 NQ. Nicely in the money a bit here, Tim. Price pulled back and then sort of bounced off a bullish fair value gap just below the 200s there. 14 points on yes. Nice job, Darren. Very good. Looks like the book's dark except for we got orders up at 300 and 312. Oh, fees and slippage using TradingView, profit and loss was 70. Now it's registered 56. Damn. That's a little slippage for sure. Should only be like $1.50 on fees. But depending on how you like exited the trade, sometimes those market slippages can be pretty bad. Market order out. Oh, Nick's back in action, moving.
Sorry, I've been concentrating really hard on this chart.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, you did a limit. Huh, interesting. Yeah, bad slippage. So you executing, Darren, on TradingView? Because it's not. I always execute on Trade of 8 and just show the trade on TradingView. X out.
That 200 level limit order that I had placed.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it got down to like 175, my asshole started to pucker.
Ooh, yeah. So you took like a break even then?
No, I got 7 points on it.
Oh, nice. There you go.
So small trade, but still 7 points in my favor.
Yep.
7 points on NQ. That's like that's a whisper.
Yeah, with Darren, with the delay on between TradingView and Trade8, like that's why I typically I'll just place the trades on the Trade8 chart, but you can just manage it through your TradingView.
Yeah, use your TradingView for charting and analysis, and just do it directly on the Trade8 chart. If you're using Trade8 with your prop firm, there is a slight delay, which irritates the high holy hell out of me because I'm copy trading so many accounts, and I can't go through each one. So I have to use the Traders Post command pad linked to a Trade8 account while I'm watching a TradingView chart.
Yeah. Yeah, because if you get a slippage like 56 to 70, which is $14, multiply that times 30, 50 accounts. That's quite a slippage.
That's a lot of money to lose real fast. Oh shit, I should have held that.
Lilish, good morning. Hello, sir.
Hello, Lilish.
Yeah, usually it's like max $5 even with fees. Something glitchered. Nice.
So I'm sure Darren's smarter than I am, but I'm going to say this anyway. Make sure that your trading view is up to date and your billing is correct on it, because holy shit. I was in a trade on TradingView and didn't realize that my subscription that I had placed a year ago didn't renew. So I was trading on 15-minute delay. Took one trade and was like, all right, I should have made like, $900 on that. And I was down 1,500 or so.
Ouch.
Yeah, it was not a happy day for me. You remember when I did that?
Yes, I do.
On the live stream, doing stupid shit.
You pay monthly on TradingView? Nice, yeah.
Yeah, I always do anything that I have to be billed for. If I have the option to pay for it for a year, I just do that because I don't like having bills.
And you save a couple bucks long term?
Yeah, that too. Also, I just don't want the hassle of having to having that shit every single month. And then at the end of the year when you're doing your accounting, or the end of the quarter when you're doing your accounting, it's just a pain in the ass.
Well, we're in the middle of the range right now. Need I say more?
Yep. Please do. I don't think I'm going to... I don't know if I'm taking another trade today. It's 10:30. Take a quick look at that.
Should have TP and reversed? Yeah, right, Darren.
So oil did come down to 91.30. Right now it's bounced up to 91.70.
Oh, yeah.
On my cash account, I have a limit order in at 88.20, I believe. Yeah, 88.20.
A bit of a room there if we get a pullback.
Anybody in an NQ short right now?
This 5-minute bullish fair value gap at 200 seems to be holding here. Eventually it's going to break, obviously. They keep it, if the more times they attempt it.
They're just chipping away at it like with a hatchet.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, if one of these candles closes below 200, it would be a Christmas miracle.
Yeah. We yawned at the exact same time there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. In sync, like the band. ES is holding up better than NQ. Okay, well, let's take a look at the Dow. Oh, yeah. Dow's well above opening range. High. Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't looked at YM at all.
Opening range was 46,210. We're at 46,334.
Look at that. Bouncing off previous day's VWAP.
Yeah.
But there's a fair value gap directly above it. Midpoint to that is at 361.60. See what.
So interesting. NQ's like in price discovery, like below value area low. And you know, YM is like well way up there. Or is it? No, we're still below value area low also. My bad. Yes is still 15-minute lower high, lower low for now. That's why you favored that short. Nice, yeah. Makes sense. That was a good trade. So we have 9 people in YouTube and 6 people in X. Welcome, everybody. Good to see y'all. Anyone who's on X, definitely head on over to YouTube. Say what's up. I think we've only really had like a handful of comments off of X, like maybe 10.
It's your fans that came over from your OnlyFans, just watching on their phones when they're driving.
Yeah, keeping the dream alive. Well, I'm not really enjoying this price action right here. Just playing around with the VWAP.
Playing around with VWAP. Easing the opening range high. There's some orders up above us, or up above the current price, but not really anything to speak of.
Yeah.
It's nothing huge. Hey, look at that. It broke through the opening range high. About damn time.
I'm in a long here. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. No. Shoot.
Oh, I was looking at YM, not NQ. Are you still on NQ?
Yeah, I am. Had a nice take of the New York there. I went long. Quickly put my stop into small profit, and it pulled back on me right away. So, $8. Hey, thanks for the like, Dad. Looks like we got 5 likes for the day.
Woo! Somebody likes us.
Making record.
I have no idea.
Rejecting off of a 3-minute bearish fair value gap just above the 220 level there.
Yeah, this is all consolidation. We started off high, We got a lower high. Now we got a lower low.
Flat is definitely a solid position right now.
Yeah, cash is a position, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee and maybe something will change within the next 20 minutes.
Yeah. And if you do take a trade, just be careful. Get that stop in there relatively fast. Protect your position. Or don't give it too wide of a stop. Initial balance just set, everybody. So we got value area high is our open initial balance high, 24,315, and then we have 24,135 for initial balance low. Probably going to invert this bullish fair value gap here soon at 24,197. Seems to be a key level so far, though. I keep holding it up here. But we're kind of like in between. I'm on the 3-minute chart. We're in between a bearish and a bullish fair value gap. So we could look for an inversion on either one of those for, you know, potential continuation one way or the other. Oh, guys. My shoulder's bugging me today from spending 2 hours on the weed whacker yesterday. I have like a solid blade on the weed whacker. It's like it's like a throwing star. It's got like three tips to it, and I'm just weed whacking blackberry bushes. Oh, so annoying. Well, this price action is a little not very nice, guys. Just stuck between 24,234 and 24,196. Get a little bit of volatility here. Pushed right up to the VWAP there.
Chopping me up mucho. No Leco. No bueno. No bueno.
No bueno.
I was down to the last of my coffee.
Oh, that's no good.
Yeah. Gonna have to make another pot.
I did take another long here after the take of the VWAP. We'll see if we can get a little bit more of a continuation here. nice to get us up to like 250 area.
There are orders up at 250.
That's what I'm hoping.
Does not look like a bad trade. I'd wait for if I was gonna get into that, I'd wait for another pullback.
I got a pretty tight stop. My stop's at 220, so my entry is.
No, I'm saying if I was to get into it.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's go, bulls. Buy it up a bit. Just a bit. Stalling out here. Uh-oh. Yeah, it looks like they're going to stop me here on the 220.
Nah,
Edge
it's
my
going to
order
bounce.
there.
Get up. Come on.
Yeah, I'm out there.
Well, shit. I was hoping it'd bounce for you.
Yeah, it almost did. It like edged my order like 3 times.
And right through VWAP into that fair value gap. What's it going to do now? Is it going to keep pinching us?
Yeah, I shouldn't have taken that trade, to be honest.
You should what, to be honest?
I shouldn't have taken that trade, to be honest.
Mm.
I just finished saying, oh, we're so choppy here, and then had a little closure above the VWAP.
Yeah, but it was the first break of VWAP.
That's true.
So now if this comes up off this fair value gap and then closes below 236, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
I'm not getting squeezed like that.
The Hawkfly says, chop me up mucho, no Lyco. Right? And it's a tight range, too. Like between 198 and 230.
Yeah, take a look at this. It's just,
Yes, sir.
You see this? That's just ridiculous. Price just keeps consolidating. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
Yeah, it's looking more and more like a bear flag.
Is that what that looks like?
Yeah, kind of.
You've explained to me what a bear flag is before, and
It's just, after it pushes down and then it consolidates like that. What are the red and blue arrows? Those are my trades on the chart there, Dad. That just shows where I took the trade. See, buy 224, 233.
CBD on NQ is at negative 1,285.
Really? I think mine reset at the market open, so mine only shows negative 446.
Oh. I've been doing this a little bit longer than you today.
Evan's been in along for I don't know 40 minutes now.
On what?
On NQ.
Really?
Yeah, he's in a little bit of a drawdown, looked like.
Hell did he take a long off of? Oh, that first break of VWAP probably.
Yeah,
or
it
the
was
second or the first rejection after the break where it pushed higher.
Yeah, basically after we made those two double lows there and then we took the view up, that's pretty much where he has his markup started.
That's
so
special.
Probably around 9:57 or 10 a.m. Eastern time. Look at that, Dave. Support at 199, back up to 228. Geez, at some point we all got to take that trade. It's just so risky.
Yeah, I don't really feel like losing that much money today.
Oh, looks like the stream ended for SFX.
Can probably take my my limit order on oil off.
Doesn't look like it's going to get there at all.
Yeah, it's at 92.18 right now.
Oh, and looking pretty strong. That last, the previous 5-minute candle there. Nice push. And high volume.
Took that order off. It'll probably get down there in the next 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So YM is up, NQ is down. NQ has been staying above VWAP for 40 minutes now.
Well, we're finally getting a little expansion to the upside here.
Hey, look at that.
Whether or not it's going to continue, your guess is as good as mine.
I have no idea.
No idea.
This is the thing about trading futures that I don't think most people understand. It is 99.9% waiting.
Yeah.
Which is why it surprises me every time you say, "Oh yeah, got a new follower." Okay. It's like watching paint dry, but without all the excitement.
Yeah, because, you know, at least you can see the color solidify.
Here you're just like, oh yeah, it's another red candle. Oh, it's another green candle. Oh, look at that, another red candle. Oh shit, there's a green candle.
Pretty nasty price action here. Bounced up past 240, kind of heading back down a bit now. Below 230s now.
And it's going to come back down towards that fair value gap. It's probably going to touch it a little bit and then come back up.
Yeah, I took a short there.
Make another lower high and then another higher low.
All right, I got stopped out in profit there, $38. So I'm only down 23 in that account now. Oh, this was on the wrong chart. Yeah, I took a short on this on that bounce up, right up to the trend line that I had drawn here for a while. Took a short on the closure and rode it back down a bit.
You and your trend lines.
Just playing the fact that we are not getting price expansion right now. So
even a little bit.
Nope. Oh, there we go. Now we're up above that trend line, breaking out right up to the midnight open price. And
could this be a breakout? Nope.
Volume's coming in though.
Volume's nice.
Back to the trend line. Rejected off midnight open price. Just trying to suck in those buyers.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hard to tell, you know, when we get a pop like that and then it kind of rejects, like, who's really creating the volume there? Probably sellers, right? Buyers are trying to buy it up and the sellers are just like, nope.
No, thank you. They're playing basketball on the charts right now. Every time somebody goes up for a shot, they just get rejected. Oh, wait, look, another little pop up. Let's see if it drops back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to get all the way up to like 59 and then pull back. What do you think?
Well, yeah, that's exactly what it did.
Did it really?
Yeah. Yeah, they created a wick from 59 down to 49. 10 points in NQ is like a little sneeze.
Yeah, that's not even a sneeze. It's like NQ had a runny nose.
Yeah. I don't even know how people, like, some people target 5 points on NQ. It's like, how can you, like, even if you had, like, say you put a stop at 5 and a TP at 5, like, how do you time that? You know what I mean? You have to be so perfect.
On you get tick chart, maybe?
Yeah, maybe, right? You get any pullback at all. And you're out.
Yeah, you can. I'm looking at a tick chart right now. You could do it on a tick chart.
Yeah.
With a 1,000 tick setup, but oof, it'd be hard.
I've never tried the ticks.
I've done it.
It doesn't get more granular than this tick, tick, tick to see the market in unprecedented detail with tick-based intervals. This feature for advanced intraday. Oh, but so what? You need. It was trying to get me to upgrade to the ultimate plan.
Need to upgrade.
Premium isn't good enough.
No, go up to your where your 5-minute chart is.
Yeah, no, I got it. It just, for whatever reason, it tried to ask me to upgrade my account after that.
Oh.
Yeah. That was a pretty nasty rejection there.
It wasn't that nasty. We haven't we haven't moved at all.
That's true.
It's just getting more narrow with every candle.
Respecting that trend line that I drew in there. Candle body closed right on the trend line. Or, sorry. The opening was on that. Bounced up, wicked down from the midnight open, and then pushed all the way to VWAP. Now we're below it. Flirting with that fair value gap again here. It's got to break it one of these times.
I mean, it doesn't have to.
That's true. That's true. You never know.
This is the day when NQ flatlines.
Whoa. Jeez, guys. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Okay, we took midnight open finally. Right up to the overnight VWAP.
Okay, now I can start looking for trades.
Yeah, I'm in a long. Stops up there. Stopped out already. $43. Nice. So back up to 1580 on the day. That doesn't look like it wants to stop though. That's for sure. That's a big green high volume candle right there. If I ever saw one. I'm gonna refresh Financial Juice, see if we got any news. Or is it just finally time that it decided to go?
Remember what I said about all those orders at the 200 level getting hit? How much you want to bet Trump just let out a tweet? Or whatever the hell it is he does.
Yeah, I just refreshed Financial Juice. Nothing on there just yet, but there we go. And there we're gonna head right back into that freaking. You're gonna pull it all the way back down to below midnight open price again here? What the? I think we need to change up the music here. This is need some more dramatic music here. Maybe that'll help.
I don't know if anything's going to help NQ today. Broke through previous days. Excuse me. Previous days VWAP again on this candle.
Broke through previous days. Yawn. I'll be back 1 second. I'm just going to get Frank to stop barking.
Hey, go kick him.
So what happened? What happened? Nothing.
So what ended up happening was on that 5-minute candle, oil prices dropped from 92.10 down to 90.70.
Ooh,
which
yeah.
doesn't sound like a lot, but for oil prices, that's a pretty big move.
Wow,
for a
yeah.
5-minute candle. It's toying around with previous day's VWAP right now.
$1.40 dip there. And it's pushing down pretty hard right now. NQ's going up. Oh, look at that. All the way down 90.65 now. So it went all the way back to that wick. Created a new low. Ooh, man. Scary price action on oil.
Yeah,
Gives me the jitters.
My,
Gonna put your order back on?
Yep.
Lilish Worker said, kaboom! Right?
Now, oil's slippery. Nat gas is explosive.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Also, it was a tweet. It was a tweet. For whatever reason though, they didn't put it on Financial Juice. But I just heard them on Prop for Match that they said that he tweeted nine minutes ago.
Called that shit. See, and that's where the book map comes in handy for more than just
yeah, you can call news. That's crazy.
You know that one. You got 1,700 orders sitting down below current price, all buy orders. There's never that many orders on the NQ minis sitting at a level like that.
Yeah,
all clustered around one level. So basically, some of Trump's friends just got real rich.
Can you imagine how much they made on the oil there too? If they were, I didn't look. Did you look at the book map on oil too? Did they have a whole bunch of orders above similar to that?
Yeah, they had orders up at 90. I think it was 94, 95. Hold on, I'll tell you. I could go back.
Looking like 90.60 would have been a spectacular entry on that oil pullback. Point 0.60 ticks higher already. Looks like Abby's short on the stream at 290. 24,290, which is the overnight VWAP. Seems to be working out right now.
Man, I remember when she first started trading.
Yeah. Oh, geez, look at that. Oil's ripping up. Wow. 90.60 entry.
Wow.
Crazy on oil. How do you predict that, though?
You donate to
Donald Trump's insider
fungal
tip thingy.
What I should do? Get a hold of Trump and be like, "Hey, I'll give you $1 million if you just let me know before you send a text message."
Oil's back down to 90.60 again. Yeah, I mean, if you could give him $1 million and you know when he's going to do that, like you could easily make more than $1 million, right? if you got the cash for it.
In a day.
Yeah.
Somehow convince him to let me just read his tweets before he hits send.
Yeah.
But you know that senile old fucker will forget about that.
Yeah. You'd have to have like a remote hotspot on his on his or connection to his computer. Gulf states weight military options to counter Iran's escalation. Iran's biggest Gulf Arab neighbors are considering joining the U.S.-Israel war against Iran and could be pushed to if Tehran attacks their critical infrastructure, according to several people with knowledge of the situation. The Gulf's most powerful states, Saudi Arabia, United Emirates in particular, are losing patience with Iran's strikes that have already hit ports, energy facilities, and airports, said these people, who requested anonymity in order to speak freely, but they would only join the war if Tehran makes good on its threats to attack vital Gulf power and water infrastructures, a high threshold, people added.
So, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, who else?
United
Arab Emirates. Lebanon won't get in on that because of Hezbollah. So they'll all aid Israel and the U.S. And then when all this is over, and Israel now wants Saudi Arabia and whatever else, are they going to just stay allies and fight against Israel? Because you know that shit's going to happen.
Yeah. I don't really know much about those countries versus who's friends with who and whatever, right? But
none of them are actually friends. They all hate each other for some reason or other.
Mm-hmm. Can't seem to break that overnight VWAP until I say it. Then it's gonna do it.
Oh, I'll go long right now. Dave said it. It's time to go long.
We always do that on stream. Oh yeah, this hasn't happened, and then boom, right away it's like there. Look at it.
And it just broke the overnight VWAP.
Didn't give you much of a chance to take profit though. If you did take that. I'm about to call it a day. 2 for 2 green won't give back to the market. Good job, Angia. Nice. Fire. God bless you. Angia-GBU. God bless you.
Gesundheit. Oh, could this be a signal for a long? Could it happen? I'm going to take a little nap, Dave. You wake me when something good happens.
Yeah. Maybe if we can invert this bearish fair value gap up at 24,329, that'd be nice.
329.
Yeah. Bearish fair value gap from pre-market at 8:30 a.m.
Are you on a 5-minute chart?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's weird. Mine's showing bearish fair value gap at 308 up to 341.80.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I just kind of called out the middle of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you go by the 50% of the...
Yeah, just so I'm not yelling out multiple numbers.
There's also, did you ever watch Zach's liquidity concepts?
Yes.
Oh, so how he talks about the fair value gap and aiming for the 50%?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so that usually if I am taking an entry on a fair value gap, I'll be putting my entry about 50%.
Still closure at previous day's VWAP.
Yeah. and oil is playing around just below the VWAP, overnight VWAP. And again, 90.60 was a buy area. Could have been a buy area. Zach must get annoyed because, every time I'm looking in the chat, there's always somebody. How do I get in the giveaway? When's the next giveaway?
Fungal.
Giveaway. It's like.
So somebody was doing that in his live stream pre-market one day.
Yeah.
And I popped in there just to basically bust his chops. And I kept seeing all this, oh, when are you going to do a duck race or giveaway? Blah, 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 blah. And I was just like, people shut the fuck up already. So I just typed in there, Zach, please don't do a giveaway. Just talk about trading for the next half hour.
Make these guys suffer.
Well, it's not even that. If you're in there looking for a free account, maybe you need to go get yourself a jabby job. Just saying.
Yeah. Yeah, it's I agree, Darren. It's like you said, so I can't tolerate prop firm match stream. It's just begging for giveaways. I mean, I like the stream. I like the people on the stream, but yeah, that's definitely an annoying part of it is if you're reading the chat, you're like, oh my God, man, stop. Like they give so many accounts away. If you could just wait 20 minutes, it's going to be a giveaway soon.
And that's the thing, though. You got Luna and Zach on there. Both of them are very good traders with a whole lot of like good stuff to share. And they do it every single day.
Yeah.
Go in there for the education. And if you happen to win an account, awesome. Stop begging. You're not a frickin' dog.
Yeah, and you're not going to win anyways. There's like 300 people in every race, so
there's that too.
What's the big rush? You're probably going to have to enter for like 2 weeks straight before you even get a second place, Sounds like Zach got a payout denial.
What? From who?
I don't know. I'm gonna rewind this a little bit here. Hear what he says about that. From Apex.
No shit. That's a first. Say what they denied him for?
He broke a rule.
Which one?
Yeah, so it sounds like about like a little while back he broke some rule, and it's not that they denied him fully, but you just kind of he has to get like another $500 profit. But it's pretty crazy because he's going to be able to get like an 8K payout if he gets that extra $500. I think he's copy trading multiple accounts too, but
yeah, last time I talked to him, I think he said he was trading 8 Apex accounts.
oh wow, yeah. So that's why the payout's so much bigger. Everybody likes Lucid right now.
Just took an NQ long.
Nice. Patience here.
Well, I got it at 278. And I'm out.
Damn it. I was on the wrong contracts. I wanted to take a mini, and I got one micro. That would have been a nice $100 and something winner.
Yeah, I can't trade minis on NQ during the New York session. It's just I can't handle the drawdown. If it's in a really good trend, I'll do it on a cash account, but the drawdown just eats me up.
Thanks a lot, Tim. Appreciate the support.
So far for the day, New York session, I've made a grand total of $91.20 per account.
Pre-market, 3,200.
3,200 pre-market, and then what's 91 times 16?
Man, I really got to go to bed earlier so I can get up earlier, and then take part in these freaking. Look at how nice the price action was in pre-market. Like,
yeah, it was perfect.
It just, once it started breaking down, it just kept going down till the market opened.
Before I went to bed last night, I put in a trade on oil, an oil trade long, and I put it in, I don't know, maybe 7:30. I looked at it before I went to sleep. I closed it out and was up $1,400.
Wow, nice.
On 4 micros, I think.
Nice.
Yeah, go to bed a little bit earlier, and then come trade with me in the pre-market.
Yeah, start doing a pre-market stream. If you're trading lots pre-market, it might not be a bad idea to set up a pre-market stream.
Could do that. I won't do it every day because sometimes I just don't feel like it. I know that sounds like a bullshit bullshit excuse for not doing it, but I stream with you every day during the New York session, and I don't always even want to trade early in the morning.
Yeah.
If I open up my computer and there happens to be something that I look at and go, ooh, that's a good setup, I'll take it. But yeah, we can set up a pre-market stream, do it like a couple days a week.
So in the Proffer Match chat, somebody this at NRG Trading Poker goes, "Yo, Abby, you single?"
Of course.
Thanks, Tim, for using my discount code. Appreciate it.
Hey, Abby, you single?
Yeah.
Well, I am one person. I am not a multiple. But but I am planning on cloning myself.
Yeah.
Soon I will be doubles and triples. Oh, I think I'm going to meet up with Abby like mid-April.
Are you?
Yeah, she's coming down here.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah. I think I heard that. Yeah.
See, now I'm going to start looking at NQ longs.
Finally breaking out here. Got to kind of get above that fair value gap.
That fair value gap.
Yeah. We got these wicks up there.
That fair value gap has been acting like a magnet for the past 30 minutes.
Yeah. We actually have pretty low volume. I guess it's kind of almost lunchtime, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been low volume. It's been pretty low volume all day, with the exception of those clusters of massive orders.
When oil dumped.
Oh no, I meant right from the open. Those orders that were clustered around the 200, like 235 level.
Yeah.
I think it was like 325 to 235, and even into 200. Almost inverted that fair value gap.
Yeah. We need there's still almost 3 minutes on that candle. So as Zach would say, we need a closure.
A closure above 341.20 is a clear confirmation that the trend is going up now. Actually, it has been a trend reversal, so.
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Trend reversal above VWAP, above previous day's VWAP, and about to hopefully close above a pre-market fair value gap. So.
Yeah. Darren, yes, Abby was a long-time subscriber to ASFX. Was she in the Black Shirt Club too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She got in like long time ago into Black Shirt Club when it was like super cheap. Right?
No, she got in around the same time I did.
Oh, okay. I thought she got in originally back when they were doing Forex, but then she didn't like.
Oh no, you're thinking of Rebecca.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah.
The other blonde. Weird ass bird squealing behind me. Sound like somebody stepped on a duck with a cold.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling that we're building a launch pad for NQ.
Yeah. Oil's pushed up to, it's like I don't know why I have this on here. It's like a previous day's start a day VWAP. I always take that one off. I just don't update my oil chart. So
91.56 right now. Still not high enough for me to short or low enough for me to long.
Yeah, just in the middle.
Yeah, I'm looking at price ranges between $88 and $100. I do kind of think that oil might hit $93 today, though.
That'd be crazy. So we did not invert that fair value gap on that 5-minute chart. I'll be back in a minute here. Sorry.
Hurry up, Dave.
Coffee. Last chance to get your coffee.
Got a long off that bounce off of the initial balance. Looking at 50 for a take profit. And I'm out. All right. I'm going to grab some more water. I'll be right back.
Oh, finally breaking out, hey? Finally got that inverted fair value gap, and we're breaking out a bit here. climbing here pretty nicely on low volume, guys. What happened, Bird? It's not the Howling Monkeys again? Your mic's off, Nick, if you're talking.
Yes, it was a weird ass noise. It sounded like somebody was stepping on a duck that had a cold.
Oh.
And then I went to go grab water, and I could hear my neighbor's kids screaming over here.
Oh.
No big deal, just being attacked by a dog.
Damn.
No, the kid's... He's a teenager that's scared of a medium-sized dog.
Mm-hmm.
That is not a vicious dog. I literally just walked over to where the fence line was, looked up the hill, and went, "You're fucking stupid," and just came back here.
Yeah.
So I did get into another NQ long off the bounce off of the initial balance high.
Yeah. Yeah.
I closed it at, I think it was 50 that I closed it at.
Nice.
But that was like a full candle ago.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And now we're pulling back a bit.
Yep. But market has shifted.
Yes.
It's now in an uptrend. It's above VWAP. It's above 2 VWAPs.
Low volume here. Still.
Yeah. It's not great volume.
Pulling back to the Great Wall of China there. 24,325, 200 EMA.
We really do need to start making t-shirts.
Yeah. Didn't you say you signed up to a shirt making company?
I did. I have an account with them. Still haven't made anything, but
Mm-hmm.
made another NQ long here.
Nice.
Just one micro. Don't pull back on me.
Pull back.
You son of a bitch.
Son of a.
Go. Yeah, back in profit.
Nice. Yeah.
Probably shouldn't have said that out loud. The market gods will hear me and
Yeah, I
all
locked
over
in.
my trade.
I took that long also. I locked in 35 there. And
You're trading 3 micros.
Yeah. Ooh, a little deeper pullback here. Back to the 200 EMA.
It's all right. I just added in at that 200 EMA. Normally wouldn't do that, but I'm liking the price action off of the initial balance to reject it off at once already.
Sitting right on the value area low right now on this this candle. 315 area. Going to be a bit of a key level here.
This one just should have kept my mouth shut. The NQ gods are pissing on my trade here.
Holding on the Friday's VWAP.
Starting to push up a little bit.
That's a little bit bigger of a pullback than I was expecting.
Yeah, me too. Damn it.
Still holding Friday's VWAP though, which is also lined up with the 9 EMA.
Yeah, I'm all right holding this for a few. Just for a few.
ES is looking pretty good. $30 seconds here on this 5-minute candle. Back above value area low.
Gonna sit here and be bored while I'm sitting in drawdown. Down $15 right now. Think it'll come back up? There it goes.
Go, 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 go. Zach's explaining how he finds his value areas again for the umpteenth time.
Constantly.
I even lost track of how many times I've done it. Go to the 30-minute chart, turn on your session volume profile, scroll back to the previous day's price action. You're going to have these 3 lines. You know, the top one's value area high, bottom one's value area low, the one in the middle is point of control. Mark it up, blah, blah, blah.
Do it on different time frames, so that way you can get a correlation between them on the lower time frames for scalps.
For a while there, I was doing pre-market included in the value areas and then just regular trading hours for value areas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then I just stopped doing it because I just found like it was too redundant. Like usually there's a difference between them, but like you're not really getting any value from that difference, you know? So I just stuck with like from the start of the day, including pre-market anyways.
Held through that drawdown.
Yeah, nice.
2 micros in here. I'm up $40, $50, 45, 30, 50. This is why I can't trade minis on NQ.
Yeah, because you wouldn't have been able to hold through that pullback without pulling your hair out.
All right, and I'm out.
Nice.
$182 per account now.
Nice. How many are you trading of those today?
16.
Nice. There you go. Nice. That's too bad you're... I mean, you made money, so that's all that matters, but looks like it wants to go all the way up to the 70-80 level again.
Can do that if it wants to. I don't need to catch the whole move. I just need to take my little piece out of it and multiply it by 16 today.
Nice, yeah. Still got those orders up at 24,400. Some at 370 and 380. Ooh. How's the weather looking?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, it's rainy.
Feel for you, buddy.
It's nasty out there. Yeah.
I feel like I've earned the right to make fun of people who still choose to live in cold weather. Lived in Detroit for years.
Right?
So I'm practically Canadian. So if anyone's still watching, this is why I copy trade. I've taken 3 trades, all of them relatively low stress with very little risk, and made a grand total of $182. when you multiply that by 16 different accounts, it's $2,912.
Very nice.
Copy trading is definitely a way to keep the stress level way, way down. As long as you're willing to keep your position size small in days like this.
Yeah.
And be happy with what the market gives you. Don't be greedy. Just take little pieces out at a time on good setups and go have a great day.
Right.
So the oil's breaking through the New York VWAP now. NQ is starting to push down. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, YM has been looking great all day. I wish I would have noticed that first thing in the morning. Darren, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, Darren, have a good day. I'm going to head out. Got the base hit today. At least I'll see you tomorrow. Nice patience, though, to not overtrade and hold on to that base hit. So
Today was not a great. Today was not a great price action day.
Yeah. Zach's red today. Wow.
What?
Yeah.
That doesn't happen very often.
That's exactly what he just said. It's like it doesn't happen very often, but today's one of those days.
So crude oil inventories are going to be released tomorrow at 3:30.
Yeah.
Central European time. So who the hell knows when that's happening? Central European. Cares what those Euro trash dummies are doing.
I'm trading a Lucid Flex. I have a Lucid Flex account. And then what's my top one futures? I picked up a top one futures about a week ago. It is a Ignite instant funded. Not a whole lot of price action going on here. I don't know. I'm ready to wrap it up here. We're a little bit past our usual cutoff time. Are you in any trades right now?
Not a thing. Looking blindly at this chart, wondering what the hell I'm still doing here.
Right? Probably going to get a push higher or a reversal in the next hour or two, but you're going to have to be patient for that.
Yeah, I'm not that patient. So I suppose I will see you in the morning.
Yeah.
You going to check out Zach's liquidity concepts?
He's got a trade today. You mean
on his Discord?
Oh, Discord. Oh yeah, I'm already in the Discord. Oh, but he's going to be live tonight, you mean?
Yeah, he's doing a course today. So if anyone's watching this and you want to check out Zarb's liquidity pool, it is on the Discord. And
where do we
find a link here?
The training thing. Chat. When is he doing that? Do you know?
I am during Asian session.
Oh, okay.
He's doing the Asian session scalping model. Wow, there's a whole lot of people in this.
In his channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got he had like 1,000 people like really fast.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to deal with that many stupid questions. First person who says, "Is there a giveaway?" I'm gonna just hunt down and punch in the ding dong.
Great, yeah.
All right, Doc. I will see you in the morning, bright and early. And yeah, that's all I got.
Sounds good. Appreciate it.
If anyone's still watching, have a good day.
You too. Enjoy the sunshine.
I'm going to. Stay out of the rain.
I'll try. Now VWAP has a permanent place on my chart. Nice, Lilish. Good job. Yeah. It's definitely should be there. It's worthwhile to keep it there. You know, just even if it's just overall bias, right? But yeah. We're going to wrap it up here also. I'm just going to pop into my live stream because it's easier to find all the names like that. I just go to the top chats and we can see everybody's names a little bit easier. So thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out. Darren, Angia, Lilish, Tim, the Hawk Flies, Roy Stewart, Kaylin, Logue, and Miss K911. Thank you so much for hanging out, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully you're all green, had a good day. And what is today? Today's Tuesday, right? So I'll be live again tonight, guys, for the Asian session, which I'll be there pretty late. It'll be around 10 p.m. Eastern time. So 7 p.m. on the West Coast here. So appreciate you guys for being here, like I said. So thanks so much. Definitely check out those Lucid accounts if you're looking for any. If not, all good. We'll see you guys later tonight. And if you won't make it out tonight, we'll be back tomorrow. So thanks, Tim. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks for all the help. Hey, you're welcome, Tim. Thank you. And yeah, have a good day, guys. We'll talk to you later. Peace out. Oh, by the way, might do a giveaway tonight. Maybe a top one futures 50K account. So heads up. Okay, guys. Thanks. See ya.